Hello, my wonderful listeners. Welcome back to TwinTalk English, the podcast that helps you live English every single day. I'm Emma, and I'm so happy you're here with me. If you've ever said, I don't have time to practice English, then this episode will completely change the way you think. Because today I'll show you how just 10 minutes a day can transform your English speaking, your confidence, and even the way you think in English. You don't need to move to another country. You don't need to study grammar books for hours. You don't even need a teacher every day. All you need is 10 focused, powerful minutes and the right way to use them. So grab your headphones, take a deep breath, and get ready. Because your journey to confident English starts right now. Let's start with something important. Fluency is not about perfection. It's not about having the biggest vocabulary. Fluency means being able to express yourself clearly, naturally, and confidently. Even with simple words. Imagine you're talking with a friend and you say, I'm not sure, but I'll try to explain. That's communication. That's connection. And that's what real English is all about. Many learners spend years memorizing grammar, reading lists of words, and watching lessons. But when it's time to speak, they freeze. Their mind goes blank. Sound familiar? That's okay. It's not your fault. You've been taught to study English, not to live it, but today we're changing that. We're going to make English part of your daily life. Simple, short, and powerful. Here's a golden rule I want you to remember. Consistency is stronger than intensity. If you study for 5 hours on Sunday and then do nothing for the rest of the week, you'll forget most of it. But if you spend just 10 minutes every day, you'll keep growing, little by little, until one day you'll realize you can speak naturally. It's just like exercise. You don't get strong from one long workout. You get strong by showing up every day. So today, I want you to make a small promise to yourself. I'll give English 10 minutes a day. That's it. Not for perfection, but for progress. Your first step is listening, just 3 minutes a day. Listening helps your brain understand rhythm, tone, and pronunciation. It connects your ear to your mouth. Listen to something in English every day, a short podcast, a song, or a YouTube clip. Don't try to translate every word. Just focus on the sound and emotion. Then practice shadowing, repeating what you hear immediately after the speaker. Let's try together. Say after me. I'm improving my English every day. Your turn. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to keep learning your turn. Beautiful. That's how shadowing works. At first, it feels strange, but soon, your mouth and mind start working together. This step trains your pronunciation, speed, and confidence, all in just 3 minutes. Now that your mouth is warmed up, it's time to speak freely. For the next 3 minutes, talk about anything: your morning routine, your favorite food, your dream vacation, anything that comes to your mind. Don't stop to think about grammar. Don't translate from your native language. Just keep talking. If you forget a word, describe it. Can't remember refrigerator? Say, the cold box where I keep food. That's perfectly fine. You can also record yourself on your phone. When you listen later, you'll notice small improvements, and that's how progress begins. Remember, speaking English isn't about being perfect, it's about being brave. Next, take 2 minutes to learn 3 or 4 new words or phrases, but don't just memorize them, use them. For example, let's learn wake up early. Say it with me. I wake up early every morning. Now, another one. In a hurry. I'm always in a hurry before work. And one more, can't wait to. I can't wait to practice English again tomorrow. See, when you say these out loud, they become part of your memory. Words are only useful when you use them, so speak them daily. Here's a powerful step. Start thinking in English. When you wake up, think, I'm getting out of bed. When you drink tea, think, this tea is hot. When you walk outside, think, it's a beautiful day. Start small, short thoughts. No translation, no pressure. Just simple English in your mind. Over time, your brain will start to live in English mode naturally and effortlessly. Now, the last minute, motivation. Look in the mirror and say, I'm proud of my progress. I'm improving every day. I can speak English with confidence. Say it with a smile because it's true. Fluency starts with belief. If you believe you can, you will. And every time you speak, even for a minute, you're already winning. Let's talk about how to make English part of your daily life. Easily and naturally, here are a few ideas. Change your phone language to English. Write your shopping list in English. Talk to yourself while cleaning or walking. Watch movies with English subtitles. Sing along to your favorite English songs. You don't need to find time for English. Just bring English into the time you already have. That's how fluency becomes effortless. I want you to remember this forever. Mistakes are not failures, they're proof that you're learning. When a baby learns to walk, they fall many times, but they keep going until one day they walk perfectly. You're the same. When you speak and make mistakes, it means you're growing. Say it with me. I'm not afraid to make mistakes. I learn from every mistake. Yes, that's the confidence I want you to feel every day. Let's quickly review your 10-minute English plan. Listen in shadow. 3 minutes, speak freely. 3 minutes, learn 3 to 4 phrases. 2 minutes, think in English. 1 minute, motivate yourself. 1 minute, 10 minutes a day. That's it. Short, smart, powerful. If you follow this plan for even 1 month, your English will feel easier, faster, and more natural. And more importantly, you'll enjoy it. So, my dear listener, remember, fluency doesn't come from long study hours. It comes from daily connection. 10 minutes of focus is better than 1 hour of distraction. So, from today, make this small promise to yourself. I'll give English 10 minutes a day. Do it for your growth, your confidence, and your future self, the one who will speak English fluently, naturally, and proudly. Thank you for spending this time with me today on Twin Talk English. If you found this episode helpful, share it with a friend who is learning English too. And tell me in the comments, what will your 10-minute English routine look like? Until next time, keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself. You are doing great.